Hi, this is Nima from WatchThemLive, and in this video, I will show you how to use the user tracking feature. First, you need to go to the visitors section on your dashboard. Here, you see the number of your visitors and the average time per session within the chosen date range. You can use filters to narrow down the visitors. The filters you can add include the visitor's name and email, page, country code, screen resolution, and more. Below the filters, you see a list of your visitors' profiles. Click on Sessions to view a profile. On the left side, you'll see the user's information, including the total number of their sessions, the date of their first and last session, country, city, device, and so on. Here, you see a list of the user's sessions. By clicking View Replay, you will see the session's recording. And when you click on Page Views, you will see all the events that happened in the session. The tracked events include scroll depth and clicks. The user tracking feature enables you to track the whole journey of a specific user. You can discover what attracts their attention, where they drop off, identify their conversion path, and more. The insights allow you to optimize your user experience to increase engagement and conversions. If you have any questions about user tracking, check out our Learning Center.